So if you are planning to start a new website or a new e-commerce store and you want to use WordPress to build your online store or your new website, then I want to show you real quick what are the most important settings you have to do, and I want to give you a quick overview of all the settings and all the options and what you have to do when you are dealing with a completely new installation of WordPress. So yeah, let's get started. So I am currently in the process of building a new website, and I thought to myself, why not show you what you have to do in order to make your new WordPress installation perfect. So let's get started. So I am currently on the new dashboard. Welcome to WordPress, and then on the left side here you have some menus here. You have the dashboard option, post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, user, tools, settings. So what we have to do, we have to first go to settings when we hover over settings here, and then go to general. Let's go to general here. Here you can see your site title. This is my current site title. You can of course put in some keywords or describe your website. Yeah, put in something that makes sense, because Google will see your site title and Google will index your site title. So it's important that you choose a good site title for your website. A tagline, you don't need a tagline, so you can leave this for now. And the next thing is WordPress address URL and site address URL. You can see right now here my site address is HTTP, but I want to make it secure, so I have to add here HTTP. I have to add the S for HTTPS to make it a secure connection, and here is the same HTTPS. Okay, this is my email address, a spam email address, so I can leave this. And then here memberships, you can leave this unchecked. If you don't want to build a membership website, then you have the rules. If somebody subscribe to your website or sign up to your website, it is not that important. You can leave it on subscriber. Don't make it on administrator. So when we say we will set it to administrator and someone signs up to your website, so this person then can edit all your website or delete data and do some bad things with your website. So leave it on subscriber. This is the best. And here you can choose your site language. In my case, I have it set to English, and here's the time zone. You can set your time zone. So the time zone is important when you are dealing with blog posts. So when you are scheduling a blog posts, so let's say if you write 10 or 20 blog posts, for example, and then you want to schedule them over a specific time frame, then you can, of course, tell WordPress when they should publish this, on which date, on which time. And here you can set your right time zone, so that you will set it, for example, to 2 p.m. that your article will published at 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. at your specific time zone. So, and here you can see the date format. Yeah, you can leave it as it is. Time format, okay, everything looks good. And then when we click on Save Changes, and then I have to log in again, remember me. Okay, now it is on HTTPS. This is great. So then let's go to the next. The next thing is writing. There is nothing too special we have to fill in here. So writing, you can fill in the mail server address, and this is if I don't know if you like this or if you want to enable this function. So you can write blog posts on your, for example, on your mobile phone, and then send it to this specific predefined email address, and then the blog post will get published. But I don't think this is really good, but you have the option. You could set the mail server and an email address and the password. Then you could, for example, write blog posts with your phone and send it to this specific predefined email address, and WordPress will then publish your email or your blog post. But we don't want this right now, or I don't need this. Then we go to reading. This is very important. So this we will do later. This is your homepage, and here you can set a static homepage, but we don't aren't that far yet. So what is really important here, under the search engine visibility, here you can see I have activated, or this is automatically activated on some installations, discourage search engines from indexing your website. So when this is checked, then Google and all the other search engines are not allowed to visit your website and index your website. So this is really bad. So make sure that this is unchecked, and now all the search engines can access my website and index all the content on my website. So make sure this is unchecked, and then click on Save Changes. Now the next discussion, the next setting here is discussion. Here is nothing too special. When you for example, want to disable comments on your website. So for example, when you're writing blog posts and you don't want people to be able to comment your blog post, then you can uncheck this, and then no one can comment on your website. But I will leave it as it is for now. So the next thing is media. Also nothing too special. You can leave it as it is. So these settings are really good. Leave it as it is. And under the permalinks, this is really important that you change the permalink structure. You can see the basic settings are permalink structure plain. Then your links will look like this. $P = 1 2 3, and this is really not good. So the best thing is when you choose post name, then you have a really clear website URL structure, and this is really important that you're choosing a post name, because then your website URL looks much cleaner instead of this or this or this, or even P = 1 2 3. So make sure that you are choosing post name. This is really important that you do it immediately. And under optional, you don't have to do anything. Everything is good here. Then we click on Save Changes. And so the next and the last setting here under settings is privacy. Here you can predefine a privacy policy, but also you can do it later, because we have a completely fresh installation, and I don't have any pages here. I will do this later. Then you can select your privacy policy. So, and that's it for the settings. And now I want to show you another really important thing. This is under appearance, and then themes. When we click on appearance and themes, and here you can see these 4 themes. Maybe you only have 3 themes, or you have 5 themes pre-installed. It all depends on your hosting company where you host your website. Some hosting companies give more pre-installed themes, some less. So make sure that you are deleting the pre-installed themes that you don't use. So here you can see this theme 2023 is installed and activated. But we don't need these themes, because later on we will install a really good theme and not these free WordPress themes. We install a free theme, but a really good one. So we don't use these anyway, and they are using disk space, and they are slowing down our website, and they are unused, so we can deinstall them. So simply we click on them, and then we have here the delete button, and then we delete this, and the next one delete, and okay, and this one delete, and okay. So, and of course this we cannot delete because this is our only theme that is currently active and installed on our website now, and we have to have at least one theme. So we cannot, at this moment, we cannot delete the theme, but later on when we are installing the right one, the right theme, then of course we will delete this theme because yeah, we don't need this, and this takes disk space, and this will slow down our website. So later on we will delete all the unused themes on our website. So, and yeah, that's it for the video. Now you know what settings are really crucial and essential to make when you have a fresh WordPress installation. And yeah, so if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you found this video informative, then please give me a thumbs up, or give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because in the next video I want to show you how or what is the best free theme you can install on WordPress in order to build a really great website and or a really professional e-commerce store. And yeah, so don't miss the video and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.